These Hyundai Sonatas are very much prepared and the brand's guarantee is fabulous, however there aren't numerous approaches to arrange your own. The 2018 Hyundai Sonata is offered in 9 mixes that all offer better than expected esteem and an extraordinary guarantee. We be given them additional focuses for their base arrangement and their guarantee. We TMD peel a point off for the absence of adaptability. At the same time, in all honesty, thatâ TMS turning into the standard in this section. The Sonata is accessible in SE, Cell Plus, Eco, LTD, and Sport Plus trim levels. At $22,935, including a required $885 gold charge, the Sonata SE fills in as the door to this lineup. Euro TMS fitted with 16-inch combination wheels, control windows and locks, ventilating, Bluetooth, and a 7.0-inch infotainment screen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Their Euro TMS very little in the astonishment and enjoyment classification here until the point when you think about its heavy guarantee, 5 years or 60,000 miles, whichever starts things out, packed in, and 10 years or 100,000 miles to cover its powertrain. The Sonata Eco will set purchasers back $23,535. It includes a 1.6-liter turbo 4-motor upgraded for efficiency, yet is generally for the most part indistinguishable to the Sonata SE. Euro TMLL need to crunch the numbers to choose if its $600 premium will pay out after some time for you. It might take up to 6 years for a run-of-the-mill driver. The new for 2018 Sonata Cell Plus runs $24,585 and includes advantageous highlights, for example, 17-inch wheels, warmed outside mirrors, keyless start, a 10-way control flexible driver Euro TMS Situate, warmed front seats, and a calfskin-wrapped warmed controlling wheel. An additional $600 for the tech package nets purchasers program prices braking, an electronic stopping brake, versatile journey control, and dynamic path control. Still well under $26,000, a Cell Plus with the tech package strikes us as the Sonata to purchase. The Sonata Sport Plus includes a moonroof, a dark main event, calfskin and material game seats, programmed prices braking, and various inside and outside styling contacts. Euro TMS not in reality any sportier to drive than different Sonatas, and at $26,085 it appears somewhat expensive for what it is. For $28,285, the Sonata Limited highlights calfskin upholstery, ventilated front seats, LED headlights, and a memory driver Euro TMS Situate. A $2,300 ultimate package includes all the well-being highlights in the seller Euro TMS tech package in addition to route with a 8.0-inch screen, a warmed controlling wheel, raised window sunshades, infinity speakers, and a Qi remote cell phone charging system. Limited and Sport models can likewise be outfitted with the 2.0-liter Turbo 4. Those models include Michelin tires and their own particular suspension and guiding changes, yet to a great extent reflect non-turbo models generally. All in, the priciest Sonata Euro Limited 2.0 TA Euro is a sensible $32,785 from the manufacturing plant. A couple of port-introduced choices are likewise on offer, the most striking of which is a $125 charge for covered floor mats. The other side to the Sonata Euro TMS absence of adaptability is this: if you Euro like most auto purchasers and need to bring home your new ride minutes after test driving it, chances are great that a merchant will have what you need in stock.